pronunciation ከምናጠናበት አንዱና ቀላሉ ዘዴ syllablication ማወቅ ነው። In this video we'll go learn about the definition, structure, use and types of syllablication. Hello, my name is Tadere from Z English and Amharic. በዚህ ቪዲዮ ትምህርት ስለ syllablication ምንነት፣ syllablication structure፣ አጻጻፍ፣ syllablication አይነቶችና ጠቀሜታ እንማራለን ማለት ነው። ፕሮናንሲዬሽንን ከምናጠናበት አንዱና ቀላሉ መንገድ syllablication ማወቅ ነው። syllablication በአንድ ቃል ውስጥ የተለያዩ የቃላት ምድቦች የሚገኙበት syllablication ይባላል። Syllablication is one easiest and simplest method of studying pronunciation. አንድ ቃል ስናነበው አንድ ድምጽ ካለው monosyllabic፣ ሁለት ድምጽ ካለው disyllabic or bisyllabic፣ ሶስት ድምጽ ካለው trisyllabic፣ አራት ድምጽ ካለው polysyllabic እያልን እንጠራዋለን። Syllablication is structured according to the number of the vowel sound in the word. For example, how many vowel sounds are there in the word pronunciation? 4. There are 4 units of sound in the word pronunciation. The word pronunciation can be syllabified as pronunciation, another 4-syllabic. Hence, it is a polysyllabic word. So, according to the number of the vowel sound existing in the pronunciation, there are 4 units of sounds. Pronunciation. So, you're gonna be with us. Pronunciation. So there are 4 vowel sounds existing in the word pronunciation and it's called pronunciation. በሚለው ቃል ውስጥ ታዲያ አራት አናባቢ ድምጾች አሉ። በእነዚህ የአናባቢ ድምጾች ብዛት መሰረት pronunciation አራት units of sound አለው ማለት ነው። አራት ድምጾች አሉት ማለት ነው። ይህ ታዲያ አራት ድምጾች አሉት pronunciation pronunciation ተብሎ ይነበባል ማለት ነው። There are 5 types of syllablication by count. We're going to classify syllablication according to the number of the vowel sound existing in the word. There are so 5 in number. If there is only one vowel sound existing in a word, it's called monosyllabic according to the Roman number. For example, cat. Here we have one vowel sound a, and it is monosyllabic. Walk, and we do a, one vowel sound, and it's called monosyllabic. Sing. Here we have one I vowel sound, and it is called monosyllabic. Okay, let's come back to disyllabic word. In the disyllabic word, we do have 2 vowel sounds existing in a word. Because if there are 2 vowel sounds existing in the word, it's called bisyllabic or disyllabic word. ለምሳሌ በአንድ ቃላት ውስጥ አንድ አናባቢ ድምጽ ካለ ያ ቃል ሞኖሲላቢክ ወይም ባለ አንድ ድምጽ ተብሎ ይጠራል። ሞኖሲላቢክ ወይም ባለ አንድ ድምጽ ማለት ደግሞ ወደ የትኛውም የቃል ክፍል የማይከፈል ማለት ነው። For example, cat. Here we have one vowel sound a and it's called monosyllabic. If there are 2 vowel sounds in a word existed, it is called a bisyllabic or a disyllabic word. For example, butter, water, happy. In these words, we have 2 vowel sounds in each of the word. So, it is called bi or disyllabic. በእነዚህ ቃላት ውስጥ ሁለት ድምጾች አሉ ማለት ነው። አንድ ቃል ውስጥ ሁለት ቫውል ካሉ እነዚህ ሁለት ቫውሎች ወደ ሁለት ድምጻት ክፍል ስለሚመደቡ bisyllabic or disyllabic ይባላሉ። ይህም ማለት ባለ ሁለት ድምጽ ማለት ነው። ታዲያ for example, water. It does have 2 vowel sounds, a and e. So it is a bisyllabic or disyllabic word. Another example, butter. So here we have again 2 vowel sounds, u and e. So it does have bisyllabic or disyllabic. Another example, happy. In the word happy, we do have 2 vowel sounds a and y. Don't forget, however, the letter y is semiconsonant vowel sound. It's considered as a vowel sound. በእነዚህ ቃላት ውስጥ ሁለት እያንዳንዳቸው የድምጻት ክፍሎች አሉ ማለት ነው። በሁለቱም እያንዳንዳቸው የድምጻት ክፍሎች ሁለት ቫውል ስላለ በእያንዳንዱ ቃላት ውስጥ ሁለት ቫውል ስላሉ ታዲያ ይህን ሁለት ቫውል ያለውን ድምፅ ወደ ሁለት syllablication እንመድበዋለን። ወደ ሁለት syllablication ማለት ወደ ሁለት የድምፀት ቃል ማለት ነው። ወደ ሁለት የድምፀት ክፍል ማለት ነው። If there are 3 types of vowel sounds, it's called trisyllabic. For example, beautiful. Okay, in this word we have 3 vowel sounds. Beautiful. So it is a trisyllabic word. So it is a trisyllabic word. Banana, banana, computer. And the word computer again we have 3 vowel sounds. So it is trisyllabic word. Computer, computer. Okay, we're coming up for the first part. If there are 4 vowel sounds in the word, again it is called polysyllabic word. Okay, for example, calculator. In the word calculator we have 4 vowel sounds. It is a polysyllabic word. Okay, another example. In the word intelligent we have 4 vowel sounds. So it is a polysyllabic word. Intelligent, intelligent. So here the letter T is silent. Just coming up for the fifth, it is called the final syllabic word. If there are 5 vowel sounds in the word, it's called final syllabic. This is the last syllabic. For example, organization. And the word organization here we have 5 vowel sounds. According to the number of the vowel sounds existed in the word organization, there are 5. We're gonna classify this word into 5 units of sound. It is called final syllabic word. Final syllabic word. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Here we're gonna have 5 vowel sounds. So we're gonna classify it into units of sound. Into 5 units of sound. So it is a final syllabic word. There are 5 types of syllablication by structure. Open syllable. The open syllable begins with a vowel sound. For example, ይህ opened syllable ይባላል። open syllable ማለት ቃላቱ በአንድ ቫውል ካለቀ ማለት ነው። ታዲያ ይህ ባለ አንድ ድምፅ ሆኖ open syllable word ይባላል። For example, he, go. So in the words he and go, we have 2 vowel sounds in each of the word. And the number 2 is closed syllable. This is the opposite of the open syllable. In the closed syllable, the word ends up with the consonant vowel and preceded by a vowel. For example, duck, walk. Number 3, vowel consonant E. A consonant followed by a silent E. For example, time, game, cake. So this word end up with E, and the final E is silent. Number 4, consonant vowel or CV syllable. That word begins with a consonant and ends up with a vowel sound. For example, ma, no. ይህ ቃል ደግሞ በመጀመሪያ በኮንሶናንት ይጀምራል፣ በቫውል ሌተር ያልቃል ማለት ነው። And the fifth one, vowel theme. The vowels possession together in a word is called a vowel theme syllable. For example, rain, fall. In these words, there are 2 precedingly possession together vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. So they are called vowel theme. Okay, now coming up the use of syllablication. Okay, what do you think the use of syllablication? Syllablication that are many usage in English grammar as well as literature. We're gonna use some of the usages of syllablication. Syllablication is used to write about the poem of the rap music. Syllablication is the easiest and the simplest method of studying pronunciation, as we explained so far in the first introductory part of our video. በመጀመሪያ ላይ እንዳልነው syllablication pronunciation የምናጠናበት አንድና ቀላሉ ዘዴ ነው ማለት ነው። Another usage of syllablication is to write about the poem of rap music. አንዳንዴ ደግሞ የራፕ ሙዚክ ግጥሞችን ለመጻፍና የአሲሚሌሽን ቃላት አንድ ላይ ፕራክቲስ ለማድረግ ይጠቅመናል ማለት ነው።